YouTube? This is the Nemesis Coop with another video. Today I'm going to show you a video of us fixing a 1959 Ford pickup. And what we're doing is we're removing the bed so that we can actually replace the entire bed part with that composite wood, I guess, that you would use for like decks. And we think it's going to turn out very nice, mainly because the whole thing is just rusted the hell out. So we're ripping it up, breaking the pinch welds, and then we are going to take it off. But obviously we don't have the right tools that we need. We didn't figure that out until afterwards. So, but here's just the video of the actual truck and us kind of half-assed working on it. And I am at the Great Wolf Lodge. So, yeah.
Working on a 1959 Ford pickup. Trying to take the bed off. Hey, say hi. Say hi, motherfucker. So we're still at it. Still trying to keep the bed off the truck. Man, I might torch it and then do that. It's soft. Come on.
That's a very brilliant idea.
I'm gonna eat your ass.
No. That's not necessary.
Torch it and then hit the spot you're torching, bro.
That don't, no. Such a good idea. Darwinism at its finest.
You know what happens if you post this on fucking YouTube?
This is going on YouTube.
We're gonna get the fucking worst comments ever.
I already get the worst comments ever, so it's all good. Just with my own videos. Yes.
What?
How to fix a 1959 Ford pickup.
Man, you're getting there, bro. You almost have a hole.
Yeah, almost. We just got the rest of the bed to go
Literally,
yet.
if I had a fucking Sawzall blade, this thing would be out.
It's coming up today, bro.
The Hawaiian wagon, people. Hawaiian wagon.
There goes another one. Oh shit, chill, man. Man, how do I get the flyer out first?
No, that's fine. It'll go out eventually.
You should probably be wearing some protective shit.
Fuck that. What is this fucking pussy garage?
Yes?
Oh god, that shit is terrible.
I love you, Matt.
Que bueno, putas.